Welcome back. This is part 2
of
the
unboxing
of the amazing, beautiful, amazing wet
compact stereo speakers. Ta-da! So we're connected to the CPU and we've typed the song So Sing and it's been loading for half an hour, 30 minutes? Yeah, 30 minutes. Yeah, basically half an hour. So, till that, let me just show you guys the room too. These are my slime stuffs and toys and trophies and umbrellas and hangers, and this is the bag of our music class stuffs in this, and school stuff. The Shriram school bag, that turquoise one is mine, and our puppies, our helmets, and my doll, and lots of pictures, and blah blah blah. Wait! And waste toys up there. Oh, and don't mind the fan noise. So yeah. And this hoopaloo.
Hula hoopa.
It's also called hoopa loop.
That's why I said hoopaloo.
Okay, and this the whiteboard. I know that's like so dirty. Don't mind that right now. And lots of other stuff. These are A4 sheets. Whose book is this? This one is my chemistry note right there. And this Shriram's pouch, his cards. The AC remote, that's not needed, you know. And the chest of rye, we keep everything in that. Our dad's helmet, our ugly
Bed. My sister put all those.
Okay. Just stop it. Okay. Whatever is done. Now, past is past, present is present. Future. Just forget it.
Tomorrow shall I take all the stickers off?
No, you shouldn't do it like that. You have to do it properly using sanitizer. That's when it will work. So that these white things right here could go up. No.
Yes.
Oh yeah, you tore that. He tore this beautiful thing.
The dress
So bad.
I am very, very bad.
Oh, we still haven't bought the mattress for it. Just look at this one. It's really nice, but it's been spoiled. Okay, so. And our desk. Yeah. And sticky note stuffs and all of these, I did it.
Why
Yeah.
is it taking this long?
So yeah, this I did it when I was studying sixth. No, in fact, seventh. Yeah, and that's it. We have
Shown everything.
and it's still loading.
Seriously,
I don't know what to do.
I thought this would come by now.
What?
Wait, let me switch it on and switch it on. Now let me see. iPhone connected properly.
It's so boring. It's been loading for half an hour.
1 hour. No, for like 45 minutes.
45 minutes? Okay, whatever. I don't know what to do.
Okay, just stay with me and keep an eye on it.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit down or
What
sleep.
was? Oh, the black one.
Just gonna lie down and chill.
Chilling like a villain.
No, I'm not chilling like a villain. Chilling like myself.
See,
Yeah.
who would say that? Chilling like yourself.
So boring. even right there. Pretty much that's it. Oh, this is Shriram's file, Pokemon cards file. That's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, that's it. Hi! Can you guys see me? There? Right there. Hi! So boring.
Oh, boring.
Boring, boring, boring. How long will it even load?
I have no idea. More than 1 hour, I think.
Why is it sweating even though the fan is switched on? It's Captain 2.
I didn't keep it you.
I know. Now that's better. Feeling so much better.
It's come, finally.
It came! Switch it on, switch there.
This is which way?
Hey?
Which way, literally?
It's this way. Check the volume in the computer.
It's the highest level.
Should we change something in this? Is it coming right now?
It's shutting down.
No, don't.
What have you done?
Sorry. Delete.
What are you deleting?
If I press this, it will come. That's what it said.
What?
Can't you even understand what I'm saying?
Without turning that, how will it?
Okay, whatever. So boring. Have to wait for some more time. Sad, sad, sad life.
But instead of putting it at this hardcore laptop, why can't we remove the systems and put it on the phone and try it?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Mic. I'm gonna sing songs.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Oopsie.
Yeah.
Hey, that's better. Okay, what shall I sing? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Okay. What song? What song?
Okay, let's just not connect it to the laptop and connect it to something else.
We can't connect it to something else.
Like our mother's phone.
Okay, that should be.
I'll go condense it.
Bye. Till then, let's sing some songs. Okay, what shall I sing? I don't know. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Is he even coming? Oh yeah, he's here.
See, let's go to the hall.
Yeah. Or let's just go to our grandmom's room.
No, let's just. Oh no! Wait, we can also use it at this room. We take out this plug and attach this to attach this to this and then plug it here and
Plug it in properly.
maybe
Not that. This.
and then put this one here and then if we put something
Let's at least switch on the AC, Sriram.
so if I press this here's one so
Yes, it's working. Put sourcing. So guys, it's working. So sing. Sriram, you put our photo down.
seriously that makes
It's in full.
I used to wake up with that confidence and I woke up with you on my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody, to this melody. So sing, 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 sing. So sing, 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 sing. All you have to spin my heart and my mind next to you. I feel fine. All you have to be high, high.
Whatever.
It's working! Could you stay with me forever? 'Cause I love everything about you. And I will follow you wherever. I can promise that I will always keep you.
Oh, your love has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody, this melody.
Oh, so sing, 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 sing.
So sing, 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 sing. Come on, sing with us.
On my mind, next to you, I feel fine. All your love's got me high, high. With you now, was this dream next to this melody, melody.
Sing, 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 sing. So sing, 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 sing. Okay, guys, that's it for the part 2.
So make sure you subscribe, comment down below,
Like, subscribe, and
ring the notification bell.
click the post notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video.
Bye.